Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for decision. All 3 judges score this contest 30-27 for the winner by unanimous decision, Aljamain Sterling.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a phenomenal fight. Congratulations to you, Pedro, as well, for an amazing performance. Aljamain Sterling, you put on a show tonight, sir. It was a fantastic fight, incredibly high volume, but your creativity and your movement tonight, this was as sharp as we've ever seen you against a really tough guy in Pedro Munhoz.
Where the hell is Sean Shelby? I hope that was exciting enough for you. I'm tired of you guys sleeping on me. You can't keep a star from shining, and my star is going to shine bright. I'm telling you guys right now, I want the winner of Henry Cejudo, because he stinks, versus Magic Roller Mirage. Guess what? Your magic show is over. There's a new funk show in town.
Aljamain, you kept coming forward, moving with all sorts of crazy angles, but it seemed like somewhere around the second or maybe the third, the leg kick started to get to your left leg. How much of an effect did that have on you?
I got some skinny ass legs, Joe. Some skinny ass legs. Black people problems. But no, seriously, it started to add up a little bit, and then it got to the point in the 3rd round. He kicked me, I kicked him back, and I said, F you. And he said, F you, you B. I said, F you. And we just kept chopping each other's legs down. But it's a fight game, man. I'm ready for everything. We knew we were probably going to be working out on crutches tonight, and it is what it is. I'm here to be the #1 contender, because that's what this was. That Peter Yan, Jimmy Rivera fight. Get that out of here.
You put on a show tonight, sir. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Aljamain Sterling!